How to ensure the correct specification for building performance and protection in high velocity wind zones. Welcome to Building Knowledge 101. In this video, we explain how to ensure the correct specifications for buildings performance and protection in high velocity wind zones, including evaluating and understanding manufacturers' impact test and installation instructions. So getting the specification correct is critical to making sure that your subcontractors know what to provide on your projects. So if your project is in a high velocity wind zone area, your specification needs to include tested in accordance with TAS 201-203, ASTM E1886, and ASTM E1996. And then typical of most projects, architects will request copies of the manufacturer's test to confirm and compare systems, air, water, structural, and thermal. In an impact application, the test is basically just confirming that the system has been tested in accordance with those test standards. But there's more important information that you need. Here again, you can see a certification that just basically says, yes, this system was tested. But really what you need to look into is the documents following that and accompanying that. And those are the installation instructions for each system. These are very detailed, and these are packed with a lot of information that you need to be able to break down and go through and look at step by step by step. So I want to walk through that and show you some of the information included in the manufacturer's installation instructions. So first of all, as you go into this one, there's a list here of all the various charts that you're going to have. There's a chart in here that's going to talk about your maximum glass sizes, chart that's going to show you what your emollient options are, your jam conditions need to be, a chart describing all your anchor options, and then your system design pressures after that. And here's an example of the instructions kind of telling you how to get through these different charts. So you're going to start out with determining the wind load, which we did. We went to ASCE 7, which is referenced here. We determined our wind load and we developed our components and cladding chart. That is all we have time for in this video. If you'd like to watch more of our 101 video series, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Kawneer Company, Inc.